Hello. At some point in our lives, we all face stress. Whether it's work, school, or personal life, stress is an unavoidable part of modern living. However, it's possible to learn how to manage stress and minimize its effects on us. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more videos like this, filled with tips to make your life easier and happier. In today's video, we'll talk about 5 effective ways to deal with stress. These methods are based on scientific research, psychological techniques, and practical strategies you can apply in your daily life. Here's what we'll cover in this video. 1. Understanding stress. What is it, and how does it affect our body? 2. Physical relaxation techniques. 3. Mental techniques and mindfulness. 4. Managing stress through lifestyle changes. 5. Social support and connections. If you're ready, let's start saying goodbye to stress and take a step toward a more peaceful life. 1. Understanding stress. What is it, and how does it affect our body? Understanding stress is the first step to managing it. What is stress? Stress is the body's natural response to a threat or pressure. In the short term, it can be beneficial, for example, helping us escape danger, but long-term stress can have negative effects on our health. Physical effects of stress: increased heart rate, muscle tension, digestive problems, weakened immune system. Mental effects: difficulty concentrating, constant worry, trouble making decisions. A small exercise. Close your eyes for 1 minute and scan your body. Which areas feel tense? This is the first step in recognizing the physical signs of stress. 2. Physical relaxation techniques. One of the fastest ways to reduce stress is to relax your body. 1. Deep breathing. Sit in a comfortable position and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, 4 seconds. Hold your breath, 4 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth, 6 seconds. Repeat this cycle 5 to 10 times. 2. Progressive muscle relaxation. Start with your toes and tense each muscle group in sequence, then release. Hold the tension for 5 seconds before letting go and feeling the relaxation. 3. Exercise. Regular walks, yoga, or light aerobic exercises are highly effective in reducing stress. They release endorphins, improving your mood. A quick reminder: if you're finding this video helpful so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. A real-life example: entrepreneur Ariana Huffington made yoga a daily habit to deal with intense stress in her life. 3. Mental techniques and mindfulness. Calming the mind is another crucial way to combat stress. 1. Mindfulness. Becoming aware of the present moment and focusing entirely on the now. For instance, while drinking a cup of coffee, focus on its smell, taste, and warmth. 2. Meditation. Spend just 10 minutes a day sitting in a quiet place and focusing on your breath. When thoughts arise, let them go without judgment. 3. Positive affirmations and thinking. Say positive sentences to yourself. I am strong, and I can overcome this challenge. Recognize negative thoughts and try replacing them with positive ones. A small exercise. Close your eyes and think of a moment that made you happiest. Imagine that moment in detail and feel the emotions it brings. You will be happy like that moment. 4. Managing stress through lifestyle changes. Our daily habits have a significant impact on our stress levels. 1. Regular sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for reducing stress. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. 2. Healthy diet. Reduce sugary and processed foods and focus on fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Foods rich in magnesium, e.g., almonds, can help reduce stress. 3. Time management. Set your priorities and avoid overloading yourself. Learn to say no and avoid taking on unnecessary responsibilities. 4. Connecting with nature. Taking walks in nature a few times a week can significantly lower your stress levels. A real-life story. In Japan, the practice of forest bathing, Shinrin-yoku, focuses on reducing stress by simply spending time in nature. 5. Social support and connections. Our relationships play a vital role in managing stress. 1. Talk to your loved ones. Sharing your feelings can lighten the burden of stress. 2. Join support groups. Connecting with people going through similar situations can reduce feelings of loneliness. 3. Pick up a hobby. Hobbies not only reduce stress, but also expand your social circle. For example, joining a dance class can be both fun and beneficial. 4. Volunteer work. Helping others improves your mood and reduces stress. Reminder: building a positive community starts with us. So, let's stay connected. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Stress may be an unavoidable part of life, but managing it is entirely in our hands. With the 5 methods we've discussed today, you can become more resilient to stress and lead a more peaceful life. 1. Understanding stress and recognizing its signs. 2. Applying physical relaxation techniques. 3. Calming the mind through mental techniques. 4. Adopting a healthy lifestyle. 5. Strengthening your social support network. Final reminder: if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tools to improve your life. Remember, small steps can create big changes. Remind yourself every day that you are unique and precious. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.